Hello everyone. We have kind of maybe a little bit of a busy day. I want to get the kids out of the house. We've kind of been stuck in the house the past couple of days, and so I want to get them dressed, get them ready. I need to exercise. I need to go grab just a few groceries, and yeah, so I figured I would take you guys along with me. Yeah. Say ah. Laura, you want to brush your teeth? Okay. Well done. Go ahead. Nora, this is yours. Here. You try. Good job, Nora. What is Nora doing? All right, that was a really good workout. Nora is, or was, what are you doing with your diaper? You and your diapers, girlie. I'm gonna have to put your pants back on. I took them off because I was gonna change her clothes, but we'll just put these back on for now. You crazy? Uh-oh. Yeah, lay down, drink your baba. Okay, so, like I was saying, come on, focus. Nora's having her baba, Ryder's watching a show. So I'm just gonna do a quick cleanup and then probably shower. So let's clean. Okay. Thank you. All right, so I just set the kids up. Nora's watching Elmo. I got so sweaty during the workout. It was like a 45-minute workout. I'm going to take like a 30-second shower. So let's go. It is time for lunch. I am starving. I had a small breakfast and then I exercised, so I have quite the appetite. And we have some leftover shrimp stir fry from dinner last night, so I'm gonna heat up a big plate for myself and some for Miss Nora. She is getting grumpy because it's almost nap time, but I want her to have a full belly when she goes down, so. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Say yummy? Yummy?
Mommy?
Yeah. I know, you love shrimp, huh? Take a bite.
Yeah.
The camera? Mm-hmm.
Mama?
Camera. You ready to go night-night? She said she's not, but it's past her nap time at this point. Okay. Love you. Alright, so she'll take about 2 to 3 hour nap, which is amazing. There's a lot of stuff I like to get done while Nora is napping. It's hair. A few of those things today include lots of laundry folding, make my bed, just tidy up the house a little bit, and then I need to sit down at my computer and get some work done, like emails and blog posts and things like that. So lots to do. 2 to 3 hours sounds like a long time, but it really goes by so fast when you're busy. And play with Ryder a little bit too. Can't forget about Ryder. I do actually play with my kids, and it is so nice out today, so I think I'm either gonna bring the kids to the Playground or Outback, because we also have one of those Outback in our backyard. So can you take your undies and pants off, please?
Okay.
Did you go? Come on, Nora, come sit on your bum. Good job. Careful. Well, you know what? We need to give you a new diaper first. Ryder, sit on your bum and I'll help you put those on. Come on,
Please show. Got it, I will. Show. I got it, I will. There's wheels.
Good job. Okay, so you need to grab extra undies just in case there's an accident when we're out. Undies down here. Hi. What?
Slide.
There's a slide out there, yeah. Okay. I think we are good to go. Our coat, our shoes.
We go.
Ready? You ready, Nora? Okay. We're gonna head into the store. Hey, let's go! What? You gonna go? Come on. Hi. Daddy was gonna, yeah, Daddy was sitting on the swing.
Nora.
She has her new shoes on.
Let's go.
Woohoo! Show me how you climb. I see you. Ready, set, go. Don't drink the water, that's yucky. Yucky. We are home from the store and we played outside for a little bit, just a little bit, and then they wanted to come in and take a bath. So here we are. I am all windblown. It is pretty windy outside today, but it's so nice out. We had to get out for a little while. If you drink the water again, you're gonna get out. It is time for some comfy jammies. I think I'm going to put on this comfy sweatshirt. Oh my goodness, Nora is going through my socks. And I'm gonna grab, yeah, Sorry, Nora. I'm gonna grab these comfy sweatpants. Nora's getting grumpy already, but I am comfy in my sweats. Oh, I think I'm just gonna call it a night here and end the vlog because I am exhausted. And I think it's almost 7 maybe, so the kids are winding down. I am winding down. So yeah, we're tired. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and then I'm going to prep my dinner and then wait for Ryan to come home and then call it a night. Yeah, read some books to the kids. You wanna read books? But that's it for today, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.